Today we introduce the connection and operation of the 20 kV ampere 100 kV test transformer. First, let's look at the device connection. This red high voltage test line is connected to the high voltage output of the transformer. These two red lines are the power cables for the console. The green line is the output line of the console and the input line of the transformer. The yellow line is the data test line for the console and transformer, and the black line is the ground line. The two red lines are connected to the power supply at one end and to the power input at the console at the other end. The green line is connected to the output of the console at one end, and the other end is connected to the input of the transformer. The yellow line is connected to the meter end of the console at one end, and the other end is connected to the meter end of the transformer. The two ends of the black grounding line is respectively connected to the grounding end of the console and the transformer, and both connected to the earth. The red high voltage test line is fixed to the high voltage output end of the transformer with a nut at one end. The clamp on the other end is used to connect the test object. The wiring of the device is like this, and now let's do the experiment. First, turn on the switch on the right side of the console. When the switch is turned on, the green indicator on the front of the console will light up. This voltage regulator has a 0-bit protection function. If the voltage is not boosted from 0, the device will not start. Now we press the green button to start from 0. The red operation indicator lights up normally. As we slowly rotate the voltage regulator, the voltage will slowly rise. This voltmeter is universal and can display a variety of voltage values. The transformer is 100 kV. So we look at the voltage in the black second row. Now we are slowly increasing the voltage to 100 kV. When the voltage rises to the required voltage of the test, we turn on the timer switch in the lower middle of the console. We've set the time limit for this test at 10 seconds. You can set the required testing time in the upper left corner according to your own requirements. After the test time is complete, the red alarm light will flash and sound. Now we are going to start lowering the voltage. If you feel noisy, you can turn it off first and then lower the voltage. When the voltage is reduced to 0, the test is over. At this time we press the stop button in the bottom right corner of the console. This red knob is the current protection function, which is usually aligned to the X1 gear. Non-professionals, please do not turn this knob. At last, don't forget to turn off the switch on the right side of the console after use.
Thank you for watching the tutorial video prepared by Hipot Tester.